today what you're going to be watching is how to build a chicken coop. Remember to subscribe so then you can see it. And then you can see other awesome videos.
Without further ado, let's get started.
Welcome back to our channel. I hope you enjoy the video. Do you want to have a chicken house so your eggs won't break when they're getting pooped out? And don't forget to subscribe so then we can do more of these DIY videos of chickens.
Okay, now we got the entry door done. Put nice trim around it to finish it off and make it look nice. The last one here. Kind of see, we put the strip in here, strip right here. That way, you're not. When you push the door against it, it has a ledge to stop on it. And it latches. Now we're going to put a nesting box on this side. So what I did is here, you can kind of see I traced down where I'm gonna cut out the opening. The average chicken needs about 12-inch to maybe a little bit larger nest. So I have enough room here on this side of this chicken coop to be able to put 6 on this side, 2 on the top, and then 2 down below, and 6 on the other side. That way we can have up to 12 chickens if we would like. Now we're not planning on having that many, but we can have to be able to expand to that many if we so choose to in the future. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to take the saw and cut this opening out. Okay, we got the opening trimmed out. It's 3 feet by 2 feet, 3 feet by 2 feet. And now we're going to go ahead and build up the nest boxes and put it in place. Since I had this opening, I decided to make a change, and I added two perches inside here for the chickens to roost on at night or whenever they choose to. Make it a little easier getting to the inside. So I just used a 2x4, 3.5 inches by 1.5 inches, and put it down about a foot down from the top peak. Put one up top there and then one about a foot below that yet. So that should work perfect for these little hens. Okay, this is how the progression has been going with the hen box. I went ahead and put 2, 3 little stiffener boards on each side, and then this is going to be the center. So I'll put the stiffener on each side here, and then I'm going to take and put those up here on each side. Put her in the center like this, and then I have this board here cut. That's going to be laid right in here like this. And these boards are going to be in here like this. I'm going to put those and screw those all in place. Well, we got the hen box together mostly. Went ahead and put the outside cover on. And then what I'm going to go ahead is put a little roof across here and have a little bit of an overhang, and then I'll cut open a smaller door here, but big enough to access all 6 hen boxes. So let's go ahead and put that in. Okay, the next step is this roof. But since this is so tight up here, I was thinking, how am I going to fasten this thing tight? That I put together And you can see the strip of wood I put underneath, and I put 2 layers of shingles on there, nice and thick. We got this piece put together, and I had, like I was explaining before, I had to put this together down here because there's not enough room up here. I'm gonna go ahead and slide that right under there, center this up, and then I am going to put a screw on this side and a screw on that side to hold this all in place. So we're going to go ahead and take care of that right now. Okay, I got the access door on for the chicken's bed. Let's take a look here and see what this all looks like. I went ahead and cut this opening out, used that plywood as my door, and then I cut some trim to put around it. So you just kind of open and shut it, and that's how you can get your eggs out. Do now is just add a latch right here. Let's stand back here and take a look here where we're at so far. So we got everything pretty much done on this side. Okay, got my latch installed. I just took 2 pieces of scrap wood, real simple, put there as a spacer to line this up. So you just turn this up, open the door, and you can access your eggs. Now you got to see the completion of our nesting box. Hope you learned something, and come back to us and we will show you some new stuff. Come back to us as we will explaining how I put the roof on, and then the runner. Some people call it the barnyard. Also, I'm going to be sharing how I built the automatic watering system that you only have to water once a month. And also, I'll be including another video of the feeder, and that as well only needs filled every couple weeks, and it's already been tested, and I just need to document it and get it sent out to you guys. So don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on those videos if that's something you're interested in.